Okay, children. Hello, class first, subject science. Today, new lesson, children. That is lesson number 4. How do animals live? In this lesson, you are going to learn about animals need food. Where do animals need? Okay, children. Now, all of you open your textbook. Before starting your lesson, there is short warm-up activity. We'll do that warm-up activity. All of you open your textbooks. Page number. Okay, children, all of you take out page number 28. Give the animals its food by drawing lines. One is done for you. Okay, you must need to give the food for the animal by placing the lines, children, by matching the line for the animals which are fond of it, like elephants, sugarcane. One already have done for you. Next is what? Tiger, deer. Goat, grass. Rabbit, carrot. Okay, now see, children, here are some animals. Okay, animals, why do they need food, children? Okay, like goat eat grass, horse also eat some grass, cow eat grass, giraffe eat leaves. Why these all animals need food, children? Because animals need food to live and grow. Okay, children, animals need food to live and grow. They eat different kinds of food, children. Okay, all the animals eat different kinds of food. For example, goat, cow, horse, giraffe, what they are eating? Grass and leaves. But compared to that of birds like pigeons, squirrels, hens, what they are eating? They eat grains and nuts, children. Okay, some animals will eat grains and nuts. Which animals will eat grains and nuts? Pigeon, squirrel, hen. Okay, these animals eat grains and nuts. And some animals eat insects also, children. Like which animals eat insects? Lizard, frog, lizard, spider. Okay, these animals eat insects. See, children, some animals eat only plants. Some animals eat grains and nuts, and some animals eat insects. Okay, which animals eat insects? Frog, lizard, spider, they will eat insects. And which animals eat grains and nuts? Pigeon, squirrel, hen, these will eat grains and nuts. See, children, and which animals eat plants? Goat, cow, giraffe, they all will eat plants, children. Okay, see, children, do you all know this frog is there? No, how they will eat insects? The frog is having long sticky tongue, children. Okay, their tongue is very long. They, with the help of the tongue, they will catch its prey. Prey is nothing but whatever insect is there. No, they are catching with the help of its tongue. They will spot onto that insect, they will catch it and it will eat, children. Okay, see, you are having test yourself activity. Okay, the goat has lost. This is what, children? It is a goat. It has lost its way. Okay, it wanted to go to green grass. Where is the green grass? Here. But it has lost its way. You must help it to go to the green grass. Now, from where he will travel? He can travel from this side to like this. Then it can go like this in this way. Then it can go like this. Here he can't go because it is closed. So he must need to take again a turn. Then again a straight. Then again turn. After taking turn, again one more short turn, then it can reach to the grass. Okay, everyone did this? Over, finish? All understood? Now, did all got, children? Some animals eat plants, some animals eat grains and nuts, some animals eat insects. Now, let us see, some animals also eat flesh of other animals, children. Okay, some animals also eat flesh of other animals. Which animals will eat flesh of other animals? A shark, hawk and a tiger. Okay, they will eat flesh of other animals. Okay, now did you all got what animals, why do animals need food and what type of food they are eating? Like some animals will eat plants, some will eat grains and nuts, some will eat insects, some will eat the flesh of other animals. Now next coming to where do animals live? Okay children, now we should know where do animals live, like a lion, a bear, a horse, a camel. Where do they live children? Do they live in our homes? No. Can we keep these animals? No. So where do they live? What type of shelter they have been provided? We'll continue. We'll see. Okay. See children, some animals will live on trees. Okay. So which animals live on trees? Which animals do you find on trees? Monkeys, squirrels, even crows. Okay, even birds also build their nest. Isn't it children? These all animals, where they will live? They will live on trees. Okay. Some animals live in water. Water animals, firstly in your mind, what will click children? Who lives in water? Fish. Yes, fish lives in water. Even octopus also children, you will see it also lives in water. And children, some animals live both on land and water. Which animals will live on land and water? See, some animals are living on land children, like lion, bear, horse and camel. They will live on land. Okay, but some animals, no children, they will live on land also as well as in water. Which animals will live? Crocodile and frog. Yes children, crocodile and frog, these are animals which will live on land also and in water also. Okay, different animals live in different kinds of homes children. As I said, birds makes nest, okay, with water, with twigs and grass. Rabbits and snake make burrows under the ground. Bees and wasps makes hives. See children, why do these animals need home children? All animals need homes so that they should be safe. Okay, from what they should be safe? From heat, cold, rain and their enemies. Okay children, all animals should be kept, need home children. Okay, why do they need home? So that they can be safe. Now see, some animals find homes for themselves. Which kind of which animals will find homes for themselves children? Like a lion. A lion lives where? In a den. A monkey lives on trees. A fish lives in water. Okay, but cow where we keep cows? We keep cows in a shed. Okay, we keep cows where? In a shed. We keep horses in a stable. We make a kennel for our dogs. Okay, these are the some homes of the animals, and these animals need homes so that they can be safe from heat, cold, rain and their enemies. If suppose if they are not staying in the if they are not having home, they won't be safe. Okay, someone will come and they will hunt, or else because of heat they will feel sick. Okay, and because of cold and rain they will be feeling sick. Okay, if they are feeling sick, ill, later on they can die also. Okay, because of that they need homes, and these animals, no children, they will find homes for themselves. No one will make, but for these animals we make homes. Like for cows we make sheds, for horses we make stable, and for dog we make kennels. Okay children, now see, in this whole lesson what did you all learn? We learned about some animals eat plants. Which animals? Goat, cow, horse, giraffe. Some animals eat grains and nuts. Pigeon, squirrel, hen. Some animals eat insects like frog, lizard, spider. And some animals eat flesh, shark, tiger, hawk. And apart from that children, we saw some animals live on land, on trees, or in water, both on land and water. Okay, which animal live on land? Lion, bear, horse, camel. Which animal live on trees? Monkey, squirrel. Which animal live in water? Fish, octopus. On land and water, crocodile, frog. Okay, and few animals make their homes, children, okay, and few animals will find homes for themselves, and for few animals we make homes for them, okay children. With this we have completed your lesson number 4. If you are having any doubts, contact me, okay. Thank you.